You can enhance the customer experience on your Shopify website with one single tool, which is called chat support. And the good news is with Shopify, you can use the free Shopify tool, which is absolutely free of cost, doesn't affect your website speed, and gives the better customer experience as well. So here in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add the chat support option to your Shopify website. Hey guys, myself Hardik Patel from ecomhardy.com, and let's get started. Simply go to the Shopify admin panel and click to apps, and then apps and sales channels, and here Shopify App Store. Click to open it. Simply search for Shopify or Shopify chat or something like that. And once you search for Shopify, the first option or even somewhere here, it will show up something like Shopify Inbox. Simply click to open. You see here it is free of cost and there are some highlights here. It has high rating as well. Simply click to install now, and it may take few seconds to install the app. Once it's installed, you see here under the sales channel here. If you don't see here somewhere, simply click to sales channel and you will find it here. So now once the app is installed and added, you will see here online store chat is off. You can set it up. So set up the chat, simply click to setup, and it will open the Shopify customizer where you can set more settings. So here online store chat, just simply enable it. And then you can change the background color as well. So according to your theme color, you can change the color of this button. So now you see the button color has been changed. I can change it to something like this one, and it will match to my Shopify website front end. But I would go with basically the old way, which is this one, and this will look something better. Now you can also set the icon type, what sort of icon you want to set it to. And I will go with chat bubble, which is better, but just play around, whichever one you like. You can go with just a simple label like chat, or if you want to go with help or live chat, depends on you. You can set it like that. So I will stay with live chat and also set up the horizon to right side lowest, and greeting message I will keep the default message and then save changes. Once it's done, simply go back. Let me close the other browsers. So this one, once it's done, simply go to Shopify Inbox here, and you can also set the shop chat as well. So go to manage settings, and here you just simply turn it on. Go to chat settings. So here under the chat settings, under the online store chat settings, you will get more options. So you see here suggestions for Tele Australia provided by this app. You can simply click to add that option and then turn it on. That way it will add that option or quick answer here. You can also change the position of any quick answers. You can remove, you can turn it off, the quick answer, you can turn it on, depends on your need. Save changes. You can add the custom answer as well. So create instant answer, and you can add something like, do you offer Afterpay? Just a question. And I would answer, sorry, currently we do not offer Afterpay, but we offer Zip and PayPal for payments options, which are the best alternatives of Afterpay. And once you're happy with the answer you provided, simply save changes. That way that question or quick reply would be visible directly on the tabs. You see here, do you offer Afterpay is showing up here. I would track my order first, and then promotion, shipping policy in the same order, which is good. Now I can also add the pre-chat form, which is show marketing opt-in to customers, and if you click or unclick it, it will get rid of that thing. So I would leave it on, which is good way to allow customers to subscribe to the newsletters. Now once everything is ready, save changes, go to quick replies, and here you can add more quick replies. That way if you are dealing with multiple customers at the same time, it will save your time and make you more efficient. Go to available hours. You can set the available hours. Once you are happy or something, like you can change the available hours, something like 12 p.m. or something, up to you. So whatever available hours you want to go with, once you set, you can also copy paste available hours to other days, and you can enable or disable the available hours for some days as well. Automated first reply, make sure you turn it on. It helps you in some way and makes user experience more better. So once everything is done, you can check the front end of the website. So that was the setup for the website users, right? So how customers can see the chat box and how they can operate on your website. Now, if you want to manage to operate your customer chat inquiries directly from your smartphones, this is how it works. Simply download the app called Shopify Inbox. So simply go to the Google, if you have Android, simply go and search Shopify Inbox, or even on iPhone, search for Shopify Inbox app and simply install now and activate. So once you install this app called Shopify Inbox, in your case, there would be no store. So what you can do is simply click to add store. And once you log it in, there would be your store shows up. You can see open, closed, assigned to me, unassigned, all these options available. So now if I go to my website here, and on the right hand side, there is a live chat button. As a customer, if I click to live chat and if I try to write down a message, say hello, and then start chat, I see now new message shows up here. And you see I can, in the app itself, it says online. So customer is online. If I click to open, it says the brief message provided by the customer. If I reply by hello, or if I go to short messages here, greetings, thanks for reaching out. So it can save my time as well. So instead of writing hello, hello double times, I can revert back directly, and you see customer sees the reply here. So it is working. The test is successful now. That's how you can use chat support as a back in hand directly from your mobile phone. But if you want to use chat support in front end, what you can do is go to your admin panel, okay? And here on the admin panel, if you go and click to Shopify Inbox, okay, and basically here you can click to view messages, and it will open up the backend of the Shopify Inbox. And now here you see the customer inquiry I posted as a customer on the website front end. I can view here and I can revert back from here as well, okay? That way you can add the chat support option to your Shopify store at free of cost. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're here for the first time and hit the bell icon so you will get notified first. Please thumbs up to this video and comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Also check out my another video, how to increase sales by adding this free coupon app, and it will definitely boost your revenue of Shopify store. Don't miss out, click on it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.